Welcome back to Built by Apes. It's so good to be back again with a mod video since I'm actually presenting it for once. We haven't had a mod video related in a very long time in this channel, so in today's episode we're going to service our E36, which isn't really a mod, I guess, but whatever. So first of all, we're going to change the oil in this car. It's been 2 years since it last seen an oil change. It's long overdue and a must do in this situation. And we're going to change the filters and the mass airflow as well, since this car has been running iffy before. And now I think it's running on alpha mode. BMW E36 owners might know what I'm saying. And it's, getting the fuel mixture very rich, which is very bad for the gas mileage. And yeah, it doesn't have good throttle response as well. So I hope I got the right, mass airflow sensor, but we'll see later on.
First of all, loosen the filter housing to get to the oil filter.
This is why you change your oil.
Check out the difference between the old one and the new one. Wipe out all the old oil and install the new filter. We'll be using a total 10W40 oil on this car. This car needs 6.5 liters, so it's going to take a while to fill it up.
Now I'm actually going to change out the mass airflow sensor. First of all, I'm going to take out the air box first, and then I can change this one.
Now I'm changing the mass airflow sensor with the new one.
It's not an OEM part, it's a replacement part. So hopefully it'll be good. At least it looks the same. And it doesn't fit. This is a 320i. But I'm gonna be quite smart and change out this body. Right now we're changing out the case because I'm thinking that this is for a 320i actually, not a 323i. It's the same M52 engine but different displacement. Hopefully same sensors. Hopefully. Oh shit. I am scared. Now that's a bad mass airflow sensor. Looks like it's been on the bottom of the ocean. This one, hopefully, is a good airflow sensor.
Don't forget to reinstall the airbox.
You might be wondering why am I putting on the old filter again. It's because we have something in mind for all of this. For now, we're just going to use this for a while. This car is not going anywhere anyway.
We noticed that the water level is a bit low, so we're topping it up. The roaring noise that you hear is the alternator bearing. We're going to replace it later on.
From getting out of the cul-de-sac, or getting out of the house, this car feels way lighter than before. It's most likely due to the new mass airflow sensor, and the oil helps as well, because since it's a 2-year-old oil, it's probably already sticky and gummy as well. And throttle response feels amazing. This thing is awesome. It's janky, but it's awesome. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Oh my god! Ooh, this thing is fast. So, I guess in conclusion, you can say that today was successful for once. Just like they say in old Top Gear, for once, we're ambitious and successful. Ooh, this thing is fast. Holy I didn't remember you being this fast. What the Where the fuck have you been? This thing is spicy. We might change it. I don't know. I mean, as you can see, Jakarta is basically full of this traffic. There's a perk of having an automatic transmission, but it's also downfall. You can't do ref banging and shifting, like the Honda dudes do it. Wait for the Why are you gonna shift? What the f? This is nasty. Whoa! 4 years almost gone. Yeah, we need better brakes. Yep. Woo. This thing is fast. Well, at least it's fast for Jakarta, in my opinion, at least. You've seen us work on this car, change the oil a bit, change the mass airflow sensor, and it's practically woken up the car. It's a different thing now. You might not see it now, but I am trembling, but I'm actually very happy. It's super fun seeing hard work paid off like that, especially waiting for 4 years for this thing to take form. You'll see more of this car. The interior is not yet done. Stay tuned. Ciao. Before we continue on, don't forget to click the subscribe icon. Get subscribed to this channel. Hit the like button and comment down below if you want to see more of this. Say something like, what do you want to see next, and any suggestion about the video as well. Oh yeah, don't forget to click the bell icon as well, so you'll be notified every time we post a video.